This pistachio cake made with pistachio pudding is one of my favorite cakes. Since this cake is made with 2 packs of pistachio pudding mix, it is so moist. This is also really easy to make since it's all made in one bowl. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new to this channel, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. The ingredients you will need are listed in the video description below. Start by adding yellow cake mix, both packets of pistachio pudding mixes, water, eggs, vegetable oil, and almond extract to a mixing bowl. Mix on a low speed until all ingredients are combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue mixing. If you would like a really green cake, add a few drops of green food coloring into the mixture. I added about 7 drops of green gel food coloring. Brush on melted butter to the Bundt pan, making sure you cover the entire pan. You can also add flour to the pan after adding the butter. Pour the mix into the Bundt pan and place in a 350-degree preheated oven for around 45 minutes. You will know it's done when a toothpick comes out clean. Add any glaze or powdered sugar on top and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to select the bell to get notifications on future content.